How to clear the Western Union's history. Hey guys, and welcome back. If you have created transactions on Western Union, but now you do not want the history to remain on the account, here is the option. First of all, go to any of your browser and search for Western Union. Instead of clicking on the first link, make sure to click on the login link so that you land to the login portal. For this, add up login on your search bar and tap on the first link. Now you have to provide your email address and the password. Once you have verified your credentials, you will get logged in into the home page. Now, to view the history of the transactions, you have to click on the menu option which is on the top right, and then search for history. If there are any transaction history, you will see this on the list along with the option to delete it. And this is how you can clear the Western Union's history. That is up for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.